chocolate, butter, corn kernels, and just start juicing. The movie theater is starting the show. It's so crowded there. Let's go there and sell things. Which one do you want to make? Great! Food truck, let's go! Out of gas? Go refuel. Insert the gas card to fill up the car. Fill up the car. Welcome! What would you like to order?
Can I have this, please?
Chocolate popcorn. I'd like to order this. Juice soda. Now we have the customer's orders. Let's prepare the food. Tap the button to turn on the stove. Pour the ingredients into a pan. Chocolate. Butter. Corn kernels. The ingredients are mixed well. Wow, the kernels are turning into popcorn. Tap on the popcorn to collect it in the bucket. Crunchy popcorn is ready! You're great! Now let's make the juice. Slide to cut the fruit. Excellent! You've cut a lot of fruit! Press the button to start juicing. Spin it to add bubbles. Lastly, let's add some toppings to the juice. Wow, you've made delicious juice! Thank you! you.